Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel, guys. Eyebrows are looking natural. If you want to see how you can do it, check the description box.
To prep my face for my foundation,
I'll be using Revolution Makeup Fixing Spray.
I'm just going to apply this all over my face.
I am loving how my skin looks so smooth.
So now I'll be applying this dark shade of foundation.
I will apply this foundation at the outer part of my face only. And then I'll use my beauty sponge to pick some of that foundation and apply it on my forehead. I'll be using a little bit of this foundation, so be careful not to apply too much. I like to take my time while blending my foundation. As you can see, I'm trying to dance here, but it's not working. It just looks funny.
The next step, I'll pick up this foundation.
I am using a darker shade of foundation and also a lighter one because I'm trying to mimic the natural shade on my face. So that is why I'm doing this. And I want it to look as natural as possible. That is why I'm not using a concealer. The foundation just gives me the right amount of coverage that I need, and I'll leave this to sit for a while before blending. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to prep my eyes using that concealer, Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Fun. There are days I just feel like using less makeup products on my face. I want to keep it natural but still look good, and this is one of those days. Picking up this Mary Kay powder here, I'm going to use this to set my concealer. The great thing about this makeup look is that you use less makeup products and you also spend less time doing your makeup. Now moving on to my face, I'm going to blend the foundation very well, making sure to blend out any harsh lines. For beginners, you really need to take your time while blending because this is going to determine how your makeup turns out at the end of your makeup routine. So you need to take time to tap in the product and blend out any harsh line. Now I am going to turn my beauty sponge to the first side that I used to blend the darker foundation, and I'm going to use this side to blend out any harsh line.
Shine bright like a diamond.
In my head right now, I sound like Rihanna, but I know I can't sing. But there is one thing that I know I can do very well, and it is to contour my nose using a brush and a little bit of powder. So I'll be using the same powder that I used to set my concealer on my eyes, and I'll be using this to contour my nose and also set my face using this big brush. I'll use this to set my face first before setting my face using my setting powder. While applying the powder, I am also going to spend extra time to blend out any harsh line using my brush. Now I am going to apply setting powder on my face, and I am going to apply just a little bit, guys. Not too much, just a little bit of setting powder will last all day. I am also going to set the rest of my face using a contour powder. I am going to apply some color on my face, so I'll pick up my blush and apply this higher on my face. I'll spray my face one last time and then pick up my mascara and apply this on my natural lashes, guys. Moving on to the lips, I am going to line my lips using a lipstick. I'll be using this lipstick. No, wait, not this one. I had to be sure first.
So I'll be using this lipstick to line my lips first.
In the shade Boss Lady. I'm a boss. I'll line my lips using a small brush, guys. I want the lipstick to be darker than this, so I'll pick up my black pencil and I'll use this to make the lipstick darker. If you make any mistake while lining your lips, just pick a little bit of concealer and a flat brush and use that to clean any mistakes that you might have made. Picking up the small brush again, I'll just use this to blend the lipstick and the pencil together. I am going for ombre lips today, so I'll apply this pink lipstick in the middle and then blend everything together. Also going to apply a little bit of highlighter on my nose. This is the final look, guys, and this is how you can definitely do your makeup using less makeup products and also spend less time doing your makeup. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave down your comments, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.